How to make the best tropical coffee cake ever. Follow our step-by-step guide. Hey there, foodies. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a special treat for you, a mouthwatering recipe for a tropical coffee cake. Get ready to embark on a delicious journey with us as we infuse the flavors of the tropics into this delightful cake. So, grab your aprons and let's get baking. Ingredients. For the cake: 2 cups all-purpose flour, 1½ teaspoons baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1/2 cup unsalted butter, softened, 1 cup granulated sugar, 2 large eggs, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1 cup sour cream, 1/2 cup crushed pineapple, drained, 1/2 cup shredded coconut. For the streusel topping: 1/4 cup all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup granulated sugar, 1/4 cup shredded coconut, 2 tablespoons unsalted butter, chilled and cut into small pieces. For the glaze: 1 cup powdered sugar, 2 tablespoons pineapple juice, 1/4 cup shredded coconut, for garnish, optional. Instructions. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. Grease and flour a 9-inch round cake pan. In a medium bowl, whisk together the flour, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. Set aside. In a large mixing bowl, cream together the softened butter and granulated sugar until light and fluffy. Add the eggs one at a time, beating well after each addition. Stir in the vanilla extract. Gradually add the dry ingredient mixture to the butter mixture, alternating with the sour cream. Begin and end with the dry ingredients. Mix until just combined. Fold in the crushed pineapple and shredded coconut until evenly distributed throughout the batter. In a separate small bowl, prepare the streusel topping by combining the flour, granulated sugar, and shredded coconut. Add the chilled butter pieces and use a fork or your fingers to cut the butter into the mixture until crumbly. Pour half of the cake batter into the prepared cake pan. Sprinkle half of the streusel topping over the batter. Repeat the layers with the remaining batter and streusel. Bake in the preheated oven for about 35 to 40 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. While the cake is cooling, prepare the glaze by whisking together the powdered sugar and pineapple juice until smooth. Once the cake has cooled for a few minutes, drizzle the glaze over the top of the cake. Sprinkle with additional shredded coconut, if desired. Allow the cake to cool completely before slicing and serving. Enjoy your tropical coffee cake. It's perfect for a delightful morning or afternoon treat. And there you have it, our delectable tropical coffee cake recipe. We hope you enjoyed joining us on this tropical culinary adventure. If you tried this recipe at home, let us know in the comments how it turned out. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more scrumptious recipes. Until next time, stay tropical and keep exploring the world of flavors. Happy baking! Free ebook. Starbucks Liqueurs Coffee. The adult alcohol. Worth $5.99. Link to description. https://tinyurl.com. 3 Coffee Lover.